It's a curly hair wash day. I know everybody loves curly hair wash days, especially today. You're gonna love this curly hair wash day because it's easy. It's one product, does not get any simpler, but to make a curly hair wash day successful with one product, you have to do a few tricks that I'm willing to teach you on today's video. So stay tuned if you wanna see how to successfully make your curls look good with just a curl cream. So many people do curl cream only routines wrong. I see it all the time and oh, it's like nails on a chalkboard to me. So I'm gonna teach you how to do the cream only routines the right way. If you're new here, I'm Barbara Delmonica. I'm the CEO and founder of Curls Monthly. On this channel, we review lots and lots and lots of different curl products. I did the math earlier, and I think that we're on wait, I forgot. I'll do the math real quick. Let's see, it's 12 months. It's about 5 products per month, 2.5 years. So about 150 curl products we've reviewed on here in depth so far and continue going. So any type of curl product that you want to see on here, let me know below. Would love to see if I can find it and review it for you. I also teach you lots of tutorials, so that's what, of course, we're doing today. The one product that I'm going to use today is the Milkshake Curl Passion Curl Perfectionist. Milkshake is awesome. It is the first time that this brand is inside of Curls Monthly. I'm really excited for this product to be inside of Curls Monthly because this is the type of curl cream that you can use to your advantage as a one product wash day. And I don't say that about every curl cream because not every curl cream can be used alone, but this one can based on the ingredients. So excited about that. If you're not familiar with Curls Monthly, if you don't know what I'm talking about, Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription membership. Basically, we send 5 products to your doorstep every month. We choose them. You can swap them out if you don't like something. We also offer coaching through your membership completely for free. And we also have lots of videos and tutorials and guides like this. So it's a really one-stop shop for all things curls, and it's perfect for the curly hair product junkie or for the person who's just starting out and doesn't know what to use. Of course, I'll link below. So in a moment, my hair will be wet and we'll get into it. Just got out of the shower. My hair is very wet. I just actually re-wet it down again with a spray bottle. I'll do some more to make sure that it's soaking wet. The reason why this curl cream is going to work so well for us is because it actually has some holding ingredients in there. So it has some ingredients that are typically found in a gel. So for example, it has PVP as one of the top ingredients in here. So PVP is an ingredient that is typically found in gels or holding products that are going to clump curl families together. So this is gonna have an actual hold to it, unlike other curl creams or leave-in conditioners. So that's why we can get away with using just this type of a product and still have a nice hold to our hair. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style this in 3 sections. Always my roots dry a little bit, so I make sure to spray that down before I put any product in. And then I'm just going to I took a little too much, so I'm gonna put the other half on my desk and just use it, but it's about a dime size, about that much on the section. Emulsify it. When you emulsify the product, it actually breaks down in your hands, so then you're able to go further with it. And then I'm just going to rake this product through. I'm not gonna do any type of brush styling to my hair because I kind of want the messy big curl look. So I'm literally just going to rake it in, and you can see raking just gives these very individualized, almost stringy clumps. I'm just gonna rake it in and then scrunch it a little bit. So there's definitely protein in this product, which I love because it's going to help my curls really spring. Once I'm done a section, I'll just pin it back so I don't get it confused with the other sections. So this product is amazing for people with high porosity hair or hair that gets easily weighed down, especially because it's not too heavy, which I really like. So it's kind of a unique curl cream, I would say. Again, just spraying down in case it's dry at all, which it kind of is. Taking the rest of the product that's on my desk and raking that in. Milkshake is a really cool brand. If you're not familiar with it, they believe that health is the cornerstone of great hair, which I 100% agree with. I talk about that a lot. All of their products are crafted with your hair's health in mind. What's also cool about this, hence the name, a lot of their products have milk protein inside, hence the name Milkshake. And a lot of their products too have really cool packaging that makes it look like different ingredients that you would find in a cupboard. And this type of product can definitely be used alone, obviously as I'm using it, but it can also be used with a gel. So if you wanted to pair it with a gel, it would obviously just give you more hold and definition, but this will give me like a nice voluminous look, especially mixed with the styling method that I'm doing. And because it does have, like I said, some of that holding ingredient in there already, you don't have to style it with anything else. So really what makes this routine a little bit different than just using a cream willy-nilly is breaking it down into sections, raking it in, and I'm only doing that for the volume. If you want more definition, you can brush style it in, and scrunching. If you wanna add a little bit more, which I'm going to, I'm just gonna add it in upside down. So flip over, and then you can just like scrunch some in for just a little added hold. I'm gonna dry my hair and I'll show you what the final result looks like. Here's the final result. It actually has a lot more of a hold than I thought. Like you can really see my curls are like nice and individualized and defined. I really like this as a standalone product. Like, in fact, I don't think that you need another product with it. Like this borderline looks perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you like this on a scale of 1 to 3 below, 3 being perfect, 1 being you think it looks awful. It's definitely not that, but let me know what you think. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.